Hello, welcome once again. My name is Felix, and today what I've been playing are octaves in the key of F sharp and octave tricks. So give me just 5 minutes. I'm going to make your skills to be clear and to improve. So we are in the key of F sharp. This is the F sharp major scale. So this skill is going to be used in any key. So without wasting time, we're going to learn about octaves, just a distance of this is a lower note to a high note, but of the same notes. Okay, so without wasting time, no more explanation, just theory. So we are going to use these octaves to play songs like chords, okay, while soloing. So we use a song like this one, Come and Rain, Holy Spirit, pray, pray. We welcome you to come and rain. So these octaves, we are using them as chords. Instead of playing a chord like this one, that's come and rain, Holy Spirit rain, we welcome you to come and rain. So we are not going to play like those. We are using just octaves, simple. So come and rain, come and rain. Okay? So these octaves, they're always used to spice up a song and to spice up melodies. So we can do something like this one, and we can use this movement on octaves. This movement, I'm going to play this movement. So we can use that movement when you are starting a song or when you are ending a song. For example, we give you all the glory, we worship you alone, you are worthy to be praised. Have you seen like that? So make sure you just practice slowly so that your hands become faster. Same. We can use these octaves, these ones, as passing chords, okay? So instead of doing a C sharp minor, we're going to the 4 to B. You can just do like this one. Have you seen? From F to E to B. Then this trick of octave is a very good trick of using an octave as a chord, okay? Make sure your left hand, you are just using normal triads. Look, here is an octave, but I'm just adding a C sharp in between. We can use this song like Mighty Man of War. You see, I've just inserted here an F. We use octaves as chords also. Mighty Man of War, Mighty Man of War, Lion of Judah, we bow down and worship you. So those are the basic simples of the octaves that you have been using. So you just take time to practice those chords, and then as the times goes by, your fingers will develop that fastness. So the last trick that I will show you is to use the octaves as licks and as runs, okay? So you can just do something like this after finishing your worship song. See how it sounds professional. So if this lesson has been interesting to you, make sure to subscribe, to like, to follow, and share, and make sure you join my community because I'll be posting free lessons. God bless you very much.